First problem. Find the transverse common tangents of the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. Find the transverse common tangents. So for that, first I am drawing the circles here. These are the given circles. This is the first circle and this is the second circle. Now find the transverse common tangents. So what are the transverse common tangents? These are the transverse common tangents. These two tangents are called the transverse common tangents. Now to find the transverse common tangents equations, first we have to find the P point, which is internal center of similitude. So for that, first we are finding the internal center of similitude. And the formula for finding the internal center of similitude is P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Now here x1 y1 is equal to center of the first circle and x2 y2 is equal to center of the second circle, and m is to n is equal to r1 is to r2, where r1 comma r2 are the radii of the given circles. So first we are taking the given circles equations here. Given circles are, first we are writing the first circle equation, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28 is equals to 0. Now the first center C1 is equal to 2 comma 5 and R1 is equal to square root of 4 plus 25 minus 28, g square plus f square minus c, and this is root 29 minus 28, root 1 equal to 1. And next, taking the second circle equation, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 is equals to 0. Now center C2 is equal to minus 2 comma 3 and radius R2 is equals to 4 plus 9 minus 4, g square plus f square minus c, root 9 is equal to 3. The internal center of similitude by using this formula. In this formula we are taking x1 y1 is equal to 2 comma 5 and x2 y2 is equal to minus 2 comma 3 and m is to n is equal to r1 is to r2, that is 1 is to 3. Now replacing the values, mx2 that is 1 into minus 2 plus nx1 3 into 2 by m plus n 1 plus 3 comma my2 1 into 3 plus n by 1 3 into 5 by 1 plus 3, and this is equals to minus 2 plus 6 by 4 comma 3 plus 15 by 4, which is equals to 4 by 4 comma 18 by 4, and this is nothing but 1 comma 9 by 2. Now this is internal center of similitude. Now find what is the equation of the transverse common tangent. Means we want to find the equation of this line. First we are taking the slope of the tangent is equal to m. Then the equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where x1, therefore equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Here x1 y1 means we are taking the point 1 comma 9 by 2. We are finding the equation of tangent. So point on the tangent is 1 comma 9 by 2. And m is equal to slope of the tangent. Now replacing the point here, y minus 9 by 2 is equals to m into x minus 1. That is 2y minus 9 by 2 is equals to m into x minus 1. That is 2y minus 9 is equals to 2m into x minus 1, which implies 2mx minus 2m is equals to 2y minus 9, which implies 2mx minus 2m minus 2y plus 9 equal to 0. That is 2mx minus 2y plus 9 minus 2m is equals to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. To find the value of m, we are applying the condition for tangency here. Condition for tangency means r1 is equal to d1, where r is equal to r1 is the radius of the first circle and d1 is the perpendicular distance from first center to the line. So here condition for tangency is r1 is equals to d1. r1 means radius of the first circle, that is 1, is equal to d1. Perpendicular distance from center to the line, that is perpendicular distance from 2 comma 5 to this line, which implies 2m into 2 minus 2 into 5 plus 9 minus 2m by square root of a square plus b square. A square 2m whole square, that is 4m square plus minus 2 whole square 4. which implies by taking the cross product square root of 4m square plus 4 is equals to under modulus 4m minus 10 plus 9 minus 2m, which implies square root of 4m square plus 4 is equals to under modulus 2m minus 1. Now squaring on both sides, then 4m square plus 4 is equals to 2m minus 1 whole square, which implies 4m square plus 4 is equals to, taking the expansion here, 4m square plus 1 minus 4m. So here 4m square and 4m square gets cancelled. Now this is 4 minus 1 plus 4m is equals to 0, that is 4m plus 3 is equals to 0, which implies the value of m is equals to minus 3 by 4. So here in this we get only one value. So further we are taking the next value of m is equal to 1 by 0. So in the first case we are taking the value of m is equal to 1 by 0, and in the second case we are taking the value of m is equal to minus 3 by 4, and by using these two slope values we find the equations of the transverse common tangents. Is m is equal to minus 3 by 4 and x1 y1 is equal to 1 comma 9 by 2. Now equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, that is y minus 9 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 1, which implies 2y minus 9 by 2 is equals to minus 3x plus 3 by 4. Now it is cancelled by 2 times. By taking cross product, 4y minus 18 is equals to minus 3x plus 3, that is 3x plus 4y minus 21 is equals to 0. This is the first equation. And in the second case, we are taking the value of m is equal to 1 by 0 and x1 y1 is equal to 1 comma 9 by 2. Now equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1, that is y minus 9 by 2 is equals to 1 by 0 into x minus 1. Taking the cross product, x minus 1 equals to 0. 0 into this value becomes 0. X minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, equations of transverse common tangents are 3x plus 4y minus 21 is equals to 0 and x minus 1 equals to 0.